Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to your class 1 EVS class. And your 13th chapter, World of Plants, which we already started, and we already discussed on the big plants like trees, small plants, shrubs, herbs, and today also we will discuss on the small plants, and here two left on small plants, so today we will discuss on that. Okay, my name is Urjita. Okay, Urjita. In the YouTube video you can also check my name there, because there are also in the description box you can see. Okay, so my name is Urjita. Suraya, are you joined today? And previously I saw you in the video also. Okay everyone, so please open the page number 69. Page number 69. Today we will discuss on the rest of the small plants. Okay, and I told you that today I have asked some questions about the previous lessons which we discussed on the previous day. So that's about the big plants and the two small plants also, right? Hope you remember it. But first we have to complete this chapter. So hope you all read this chapter very attentively. So till up to this halves we completed. So have you any problem or any questions on trees, shrubs and herbs? Have you any questions on that? Please let me know. Have you any question? Okay. So take your copy book with you. I will write on the board some description on creepers and climbers. So if you want to note those things, you can. Okay. So here the shrubs and herbs as we completed. Today we will start the creepers. Today we will start creepers. So hope you can see the board. So that's creepers. Some plants have very weak stem. As you know, creepers are also the example of small plants. So I am writing here some point of description of those plants, those small plants. So you can write these things like me, like on the board. Okay, so you can copy this. So creepers are the small plants. If you write these things according to me, you can remember it easily. Okay, when you read these points you can remember it easily. So that's why I tell you that write it like point. So creepers are also the small plant, right? Small plant, and they have weak stem. They have very weak stem. Very weak stem. Okay, that is your second point. And the third point is that creepers grow along the ground. They can grow along the ground. Along the ground. Okay, So by pointing those description, if you write in your copy book and you read this part, those things, you can remember it easily. So creepers are the small plants. They have the very weak stem. As they have very weak stem, they cannot stand straight like trees, like shrubs, like herbs. They cannot stand straight. Okay, so they have very weak stem and they grow along the ground. So this point is very essential for creepers. These things can notified or mention that is creeper. Okay, so creeper grow along the ground only. Creepers grow along the ground only. I already told it, Srenika. My name is Urjita. Are you new in the class or in this session? Okay. So grow along the ground. Okay. So creepers can grow along the ground. And their examples are, anyone, can you tell me the example of the creepers? Anyone? Yes, very good, Sharanya. That's pumpkin. Sharanya said it's pumpkin. Very good. So pumpkin is one of the example of creepers. So there are also lot of example, as you know that every part of the plants have lot of examples. So first examples is pumpkin, second is watermelon, watermelon. Okay, so pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. Gourd. So creepers are example of, there are some lot of examples as you know, but I am give here only 3 examples, that pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourd. They are the example of creepers. Okay. No, money plant, not money plant. Money plant is not the example of creepers. So here I am repeat it again about creepers. Creepers are the example of small plants. They have very weak stem and they grow along the ground because they cannot stand straight, but they can grow along the ground. So they are creepers. Those plants we call creepers, and their examples are pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourd. Pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourd. Okay. So have you understand about creepers? And have you copied these things at your copy book?
UMP. এখানে আছে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন না?
Okay. Okay, everyone. So I have to erase it now, and we will. Shushita, didn't you copy it or understand it? Okay. So I have to erase it now. Very good, Riyad. So now we will proceed for climbers. We will proceed for climbers. Okay. Now I am erasing it. Shushita, I will upload this video in the YouTube, as you know, and you can copy these things from YouTube also. So now tell me that have you write these things or have you completed? It's bottle gourd, Ritam, bottle gourd. The example of these creepers, right, Ritam? B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. Bottle where which things we drink water by bottle, right? That's bottle. And gourd, G-O-U-R-D, gourd. Bottle, gourd. Okay. So I am erasing it now. Sushita, for Sushita. And examples also. So now we will discuss on the climbers. Climbers. That's one point of the small plant. Like one example of the small plant. Okay. So some plants climb up trees and houses. These plants are called climbers. That is in your book. But I will give some points here so you can write it fast. Okay. So climbers who are also the small plant, they have very weak stem. They cannot stand straight by their own. You can write it fast from the board because these points are not in your book. Okay, they cannot stand straight by their own. Okay, they cannot stand straight by their own, and they need support. Did you see the board? Have any problem to see the board? They need support to stand straight. You can write these things because those are the description of climbers. Those are the clarification of the climbers. They need support to stand straight, like trees, house, stick. Okay, like trees, house, stick, those things. So here are some description of the climbers. I am repeat it again. Climbers are small plants. They have very weak stem. They cannot stand straight by their own and they need support to stand straight, like stick, trees, big plants and a house, etc. So those plants are called climbers. And there are also some examples like money plant and pea plant. So I am giving here two examples, money plant and pea plant. Those are the example of climber. Okay. So have you understand it, everyone? Any problem from climbers? Any problem from climbers and creepers? Because we discussed on climbers and creepers today, that the small plants. As in this chapter, the world of plants, we discuss that the very big plants are called trees and they have the trunks. Their examples are banyan, mango, coconut. Plants smaller than trees, they are called shrubs. They are bushy, but they have the woody stem. And their examples are hibiscus, rose, henna, cotton, etc. And there are also one plant, they are also smaller than shrubs and they have the soft green stem, right? Soft green stem. They are called herbs. They are examples aloe vera, mint, coriander, tulsi. And today we discussed that some plants have very weak stem. They cannot stand straight, but they grow along the ground. So they are creepers, and their examples are pumpkin, battleground, watermelon. You have to remember these three examples, okay? And the next one is, the last one is the climbers. They are also very weak stem. They are small plant. They cannot stand straight by their own. So that's why they need some support. They need some support like stick, big plants, big trees and house, etc. Okay. So that's why we called it climbers. We called it climbers. And examples: money plant, pea plant. Money plant, pea plant. Okay. Hope you all understand it about the world of plants. And go to the next page. That different plants have different kinds of leaves, and look at the leaves of some plants. Here the pictures are given. Right, there are some pictures. The banana plant, that's a little long. People, that's little short. Pine, they have the small leaves according to this vine. And the rose, and you know that plant of rose have the spine also, right? So those are the different leaves. And you know about the project, right? And in the project, in the science, EVS project, you know that you have to collect 10 different kinds of leaves, and hope you all collected. And when you collected those things, you notice that those leaves are the different in size. Those leaves are different in size, and their shapes are also different. So these things as the example of the leaves who have the different size and different kinds also. Okay. So here the one fact also, and you have to know this. Did you copy these things? Because I have to erase it now. Very good, Riyad, Shanaya. I am now erasing it. So there are one fact that's important, that you know, in our house there is one particular room where our parents, grandparents cook there, right? And we called it kitchen, right? We called it kitchen. So here in the tree or in the plants, they have also kitchen. You know, they have also kitchen. There they cook. So the leaves are the kitchen of plant. Leaves are kitchen of plants. Leaves are, we call, kitchen of plant. Kitchen of plant. So these things is one fact. You have to remember these things. Okay. You know the as about the kitchen and where we cook there, right? We cook there. Our parents cook there. So this particular room in our house, we called it kitchen. So like that, in the tree, in the plants also, there are one particular room and they cook there, and that is leaves. That is leaves, and we called it the kitchen of plants. The kitchen of plants. Okay. So we discussed on this chapter and we completed that. We see many plants around us. Plants are different size and shapes. They are different types of plants. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Okay, and you all know the examples also. So that's all. We completed this text part of the chapter, and the next class we will proceed the exercise part. Okay. So you have to read this chapter very attentively, and if any problem you can ask me on the next class. Okay? Hope you all understand it. Okay. So who are present in the class, please write here P. I have to take your attendance, and don't cut the call before giving the attendance. Okay everyone?